Hello, and welcome to our Farmer for You information session. I'm Victoria Jenin, your Client Solutions Manager at Farmer for You, and I'm thrilled you could join us today. As a proudly Canadian company, we're dedicated to helping fellow Canadian businesses thrive and get ahead in this competitive marketplace. I'm genuinely excited to share practical insights about navigating the pharmaceutical and medical device regulatory landscape, a field where I love helping clients succeed. Our team at Farmer for You transforms complex regulations into clear pathways for your business, and I'm looking forward to showing you how we can partner together to turn compliance challenges into opportunities for growth. My goal today is to make sure you leave with actionable solutions that work for your specific needs and help your Canadian business reach its full potential. Drug Establishment License and Medical Device Establishment License. Let's chat about something that might sound complex but is essential for your business in the healthcare space. Those important licenses you need to operate in Canada. When do you need a drug establishment license, or a DEL? If your company is working with prescription medications, over-the-counter drugs, active pharmaceutical ingredients, or biologics in Canada, you'll need a DEL. If you're fabricating these products, packaging them up, adding labels, testing them, importing them into Canada, distributing them to others, Health Canada wants to make sure everyone with a DEL follows good manufacturing practices, or GMP, which is really just about ensuring everything is safe and high quality. A helpful little tip: if you're only wholesaling over-the-counter medications, you actually don't need a DEL. But if you're importing those same products or handling their packaging or labeling, then you will need one. What about medical device licenses? For those of you working with medical devices, classes 1 through 5, you'll need a medical device license. If you're importing devices into Canada, distributing them within Canada, manufacturing them in Canada, let Farmer for You take the stress out of regulatory compliance so you can focus on what you do best, growing your business. We're passionate about helping companies like yours navigate complex Health Canada regulations with ease. Visit us at www.farmerforyou.ca or drop us a line at info@farmerforyou.ca.